What's up, nerds? Today, I'm gonna be making some hills out of green, grade stuff. So this one I kind of shaped already, but all I basically did was take a piece of hardboard, cut it out with a jigsaw, and then I sprayed the great stuff expanding foam can all over there. It looks like this, so I'm gonna shape it with this knife here. So it'll look something like this. And then we're going to try to make some homemade modeling compound and texture this so it looks more like a rack, and then I'm going to paint it up and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so these are all cut up now. Kind of tried to make them hard lines, a little on the toony side of some of these racks, and also added some of these wedges in here. Now we're going to make some modeling compound from a recipe I found on YouTube from a delightfully wholesome kid in, I think, the Netherlands. He's like a model railroader, but this will definitely work for wargaming, so we're going to give it a shot. Okay, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna mix the plaster with my ground up pulp, and needs to be the consistency of cottage cheese. I'm gonna mix it in here a little bit at a time and just try it with one of these racks to see how it looks. And I'm gonna be wearing a mask because this plaster dust is very fine and I don't want to breathe it in. And I also got the camera strapped to my chest so you kind of get to see what I see as if you're doing it yourself. You can live vicariously through me. So I apologize if you can't hear me very well with this mask on, but that's okay. I probably won't doing much talking anyways. I think we're going to mute the video at this point so I can listen to my music and not get a copyright strike. Alright, and these are all done. I managed to get every single big rocky hill with the modeling compound. It sets pretty quick, like some of these are already dried at the touch, which is nice. I use a whole thing of Plaster of Paris from Menards. It's like 4 pounds dipped in the second one, so I'll be holding on this and use it. And as far as my egg cartons, I averaged about 1 to 1.5 per mound. And I did get it ground up pretty nice by just blending it more to get more of the pulpy kind of texture. These are kind of bigger flakes, but I had some good pulp texture. I also saw people do this with spray and insulation, and that looked like it worked pretty good. I'll have to try that one next. But yeah, so we're gonna let these sit and dry real good, and then I'm going to go on to painting them. Alright, so I got the POV cam strapped on. Oh yeah. So you can see I did the brown and the gray from the top. This gray's kind of got a bluish hue to it, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to take some purple with the airbrush and do some kind of colorization in the racks before I do a wash over our top. So I'm just gonna shake this up and we're gonna give that a shot. Put this on. Alright, with the racks all airbrushed, now we're going to do a wash. I'm going to make it with a mix of acrylic paints and some flow improver and some water. So I want it to be a very dark brown. We'll start with some brown. Add some black. A little bit of flow improver. And water. That's looking pretty good. It's like a dark, really, really dark brown, almost black. So now with the wash dry, I'm going to go over with some light gray paint and do a dry brush just to bring out the detail. Using a big old brush, just working it in there. Grab a rock, just go over it. There you have it, my finished racks on my Xenos World mat. I wanted to tie in the purples and the alien colors to make them look like alien racks, but I also wanted them to work on other tables as well. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We have more battle reports, other hobby projects, and other wargaming related content coming your way. Thanks for watching.